Welcome back to another episode of Skyrim, Gunagar the Hunter. If you last remember, we're in the Winking Skeever. I just thought I'd come up here and get the blessing of our cave from such a quick cure of the vampirism that I had. I must have caught it straight away because I got over it pretty quick. I made up a brew and made a silver flagon, and I drank it with the leek, and I got over it. I acted fast, and hello.
The Divines saved me from the streets, and they can save you from your trials as well.
Okay, right. Yeah, enough of that. Alright, let's go, Araya.
Let us walk in the
Run in
steps
the
of the
temple.
Divines.
To show respect. I could handle sitting here for a couple of hours.
The Emperor's cousin, Vitoriavici, is getting married soon.
I'm still here. Yes, my thing. Do you need something?
So this is where the whole thing's going to happen, eh? Is that gargoyle is not a good spot.
It's always good to see someone like
Excuse me.
the Countess.
Oh, went the wrong way. Let's go. I'm stupid.
Papa says I won't see Rob here anymore.
That's right, because he's dead.
No closer than 200 paces from the nearest city wall.
Only awaits those.
Everything's all right?
Yeah,
Let's get going.
okay. Let's see now. Oh, that's right, I can't put any more weight on her. Oh. Got the key sheet. Problem is, not going to get much money for what we've got. Mainly meat. Right,
The heat of the battle is the fire that forges the strongest blades. It's an old Nord proverb.
Yeah, well, we've got all that connected up. Yes, statue.
There's
I've got a
pressing
good
concerns
sword
that
out
need
of it.
dealing with.
I admit that. Not much hunting. Might have to go down that riverbank.
Keep
I don't
walking,
really see
Softworks.
much game
I'm more
around
woman
here.
than you can handle.
That's what I was always. Oh no, it takes a while to phase in. Right, we gotta go. Isn't it right? Hang on. Yeah, we're here. All skull. Okay, we go up there. Turn left, and then we're there.
See what a warrior of true
Better hurry up so
metal
then I
is
don't
like.
get too cold. Ooh. Something took a while to load.
Everyone has a price. And a pain threshold.
All right, hand over your valuables, or I will gut you like a fish.
I don't have time for this.
Don't you walk away from me.
need a bit of a warm-up. Come on. Wolfskin cloak. Oh, that's another one of those. Oh, like that is. Not a. This thief was take a hood. I probably shouldn't, but I will. Red guard boots. Yeah, well, you're gonna take everything off me, steal from me. Cat probably got fleas on it. Right. Okay, let's man up. Okay, let's keep on going.
The beasts of Skyrim are made of sterner stuff than most.
It should be over here somewhere. Isn't it? Don't tell me I got us lost already, or is it to the left? Oh, it's to the left. A bit of a stash with that thief is
If either these Nords or Imperials had some red in their blood, this war would be over.
that looks like it. Oh look, there's someone waiting there in the ambush. I love this Dawnbreaker's sword. Oh, look at all the crap I got.
The heat of the battle is the fire that forges the strongest blades. It's an old
where are the horses? Oh, there they are. That'll do. How about we're going? Oh. Okay, where we get in? Here. That's right. I'll take that. That's right. I was going to make some salt pile. That's what I should have done for the rest of the day and had a rest in the temple, because I should have had an easy day instead of coming into to a cave. I might get... Oh. What did I grab off him? You can have that back, sorry. Wrong button. We're only here to pick mushrooms. There's someone there. Like dead end. Button, I wanted to move right. Oh, fuck. Ah, shit. What am... Where's my sword? Oh, why am I fighting this stupid thing for? Oh, sorry. Shit. Not handling this fight well at all. Everybody. Oh shit. Sorry Ray, I was... Sorry to hit you, just... waiting with I couldn't... God, it's just... all happened.
Eyes open. Danger could be anywhere.
That noticing that guy didn't help. There's all close confine.
Perfect spot for an ambush.
There's all bloody close confine. This is where we're going this way, weren't we? Better warm up.
I don't like the look of this.
There's one of my arrows. Look.
It's high time we get in there and find our fortune.
Well, I've got to warm up first, Raya. I think we go.
Stay alert.
Let's see if I got it selected. No, I didn't. We go that way. I couldn't believe I lost me sword. I'd taken my sword off and I was punching that guy. God. Oh, sisters helped me. Took out that.
If either these lords or emperors
Right.
had some red in their blood, this war would be over.
Okay, let's go. What's there? Oh, close wouldn't. What's that? Do we go this way? We do. I hate this mini keyboard. Oh, that's right, can't go any further this way. I got this small keyboard and it's the biggest pain in the ass. All the keys are so close together. And I got big fingers. Somewhere. I can hear him. Can't see him though. Oh, there he is. Ah, shit. Luckily I looked down. Which way do we go? I would, knowing the way things are set up around here, I suspect we have to go down the hole. Down the hole.
Huh?
No use down here. Great time to go and feel hungry. It's lost. My clairvoyance isn't. There we go. Get out. What is this? Oh, look, there's...
Wolf Queen, hear our call and awaken. We summon Potema. We summon Potema.
Potema?
Long have you slept the dreamless sleep of death, Potema. No longer. Hear us, Wolf Queen. We summon you.
Oh.
We summon Potema.
How do we get down there? Well, I think we're here to stop that Raya. Oh, shit. Gonna light up all this. That's pretty dangerous having one of those things near all this. Oh, look. These things always leak oil. Just about. Couldn't even get my arrow back. Steel greatsword. Oh, look at all the money lying on the floor. What if Ray would be interested in this? Yeah, do you want to try
Yes,
this?
my Thane. Do you need something? Of course, Thane. How can I be of service?
No, don't worry about it.
Lead on, my Thane.
That, the sword you're carrying is stronger. Give you great sword, well, they'd give you a bigger variety of, shit, where are we going? make a few health potions out, hopefully after I get out of here. Well, you did all the work. I was going to come and help you, but a bit.
See what a warrior.
I'll get my things up. Okay. Him. Why do I always get these things wrong?
Return me to this realm.
What happened to my shield?
You cannot bind me to your wills.
Summoned words bound by love.
Supple ancient Nordbow.
You ants don't have the power to bind me.
Oh, I gotta have a rest. Come on, Fang.
Stay alert.
Don't hurt. Bang!
Something is wrong. There is an intruder.
How'd you guess there was an intruder? Oh. Oh, sorry, Raya. Oh. I got any charge left in me thing. Alright. Which ways we gotta go?
Let us die with blade in hand.
Uh-oh. Oh, there's a mage down there.
Death awaits you. Someone take out that maid.
Can't see it now. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Right, we gotta go.
There is honor in fighting for what you believe.
This way, I reckon. Oh, yeah. Go, Raya.
Time to show what you're really made of.
Go, Fang. Go, Fang.
That's the best you can do. Someone take out that maid.
Oh, I need some more stamina. I'm not doing this well at all. Healing. Might as well heal what I'm here. Just sucking all my stamina out. Got that ice. I gotta resist frost. Put that on my sword. I should probably paralyze him.
Let's get
Oh.
the place out first.
Oh. It's all worth a lot of money. What happened to the know whether I should take up clothes or not. Glow dust.
Our glory must always be
Okay. Ah, good one, Raya.
There is much
Excellent.
to be done.
Should we take her clothes or not? Take your cap. And the gloves. I'll leave you with the rest.
Let's make the bastards pay.
Oh. Does look like the easier way out. What have we got near? Oh, I still got that helmet of. Not even worth it.
Glory only awaits those who try.
Alright, let's go. We're not going to bump into anybody or anything. Right, oh. So we go back
I
up.
don't like the look of this.
Alright. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Probably be a two-part one. I'm not too certain. Seems pretty long. And we'll catch us next time. Well, jeez. Okay. We'll catch us next time. See you
what a
later.
warrior